If you wanted to fix this problem on your Google Meet, just follow me in this video step by step till the end. So let's start, guys. So first, you don't need to open your Google Meet. Go and open your settings. Then you will find list of options. Just open apps options. Then you will find here all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search here only for Google Meet. So as you see, you search for it, and when you found it, open it and go to storage. Right here, click just on clear cache, but don't click on clear data because it will delete your data. Then go to battery, allow it on optimized mode, then go back and click on force stop. Click OK and go to permission, allow all these permissions right here. Then go to your Play Store, check that your Google Meet is updated on the last version, then restart your phone. And that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.